What's up, guys? So in today's video I got this package in the mail. So this package right here are puddle lights that go in the doors. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace them with this right here. So right now I have just red. So right now they're red. I'm gonna replace this door, and then obviously those two doors in the back right there. So before, the car used to have just regular yellow ones, swapped them out, and then I got the Scat Pack logo, but then they kind of like cracked or whatnot. So these right here are SRT ones, but this is from a company off eBay. I did not know that they had SRT ones, but apparently now they do. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you guys where I got these from to see if they're even reliable or not, because this is the first time I've ever seen on either Amazon, eBay, or wherever that have SRT puddle lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and install them, show you guys how to do that real quick, and then yeah, see if they're worth buying. Okay guys, so this is how the box looks. These are the same design company or whatnot that I got for the Scat Pack puddle lights. They were basically all good, just one of them ended up kind of cracking. I don't know if it's like for what, due to heat. I had them for, I'm gonna say, like 8-9 months before the basically this back door and the passenger front door went out, and I have some still, but they're two from the same side. But let's see if these let's see how these work, guys. All right guys, so this is the door light. So all you do is you can use a flathead or a pry tool, and you're just gonna end up popping this out, and then there's gonna be a little connector, and you're just gonna plug and play. So let me see if I can show you guys how it works. Okay guys, so I popped it out. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna release this clip, and then we're just gonna use basically just plug and play, guys. Just use this, plug it in right there, and then put it back, and that's really about it. Just so you guys know how to take it off, you're just gonna pull on this back piece at the same time while pushing down on this middle piece, and then like I said, you just go ahead and pull back once you are pushing down here, and this is just gonna come out, and then you just grab your new one and plug it in, and then you just go ahead and you're done. Okay guys, so these are my old ones. So these are factory old ones. They just have, see it focus, they just have these in here, which are what I got from Dial Dynamic, which I might end up just putting back on, because like, there you go, it looks good, it looks really good, I ain't gonna lie. So I got 2 packs for 2 doors from 4 doors. So I got this right here, put them in, install, it looks great. Come on this side, upside down and upside down. So they basically sent me two of them from this side, so this one and this one. So I put those on, they're good, but then they sent me the same side, so when I put them on that side, they're flipped. So yeah, I'm not gonna be using these. So they look good. So hold up, because I found a way to fix it. I'm surprised I just figured it out. I could have used my Scat Pack ones, but at least I know now. So I fixed this back door, you can see that one just like that. Open this door. Whoop. See, so I did fix it. I'm about to show you guys how you guys can fix this if you guys do have a problem like I did. Okay guys, so here's the piece. So the problem I had was I thought that these were fixed in place, just because they come labeled and they kind of tell you, already what what side they are. So I thought it was stuck, but all you got to do is go in here. You can do it with your fingers, and you just got to twist it a little bit. Let me see if you guys can see. It's twisting slightly. You just twist it until you get the angle that you want, and then yeah, you'll be good from there, guys. So all you got to do is go ahead, get in here and twist that with your hand, and then I'm gonna plug it back in. I'm gonna show you guys that we're good to go. All right, see, there you go, it's all fixed. It's still at an angle a little bit, just because I have the door at an angle, but when it opens up, it's gonna open up, look pretty good. But yeah guys, there you go. So I did fix it, so now we're good to go. But yeah guys, just a quick video for you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate the support. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.